Good morning. Good morning, y'all. It's your girl, Felicia. Aren't y'all excited? Y'all, it's time to rebuild. It is time to rebuild. We made it. We made it through the storm. Look, the sun is shining. The leaves are everywhere. Things are still in bloom. It's fall. The seasons are changing, and it's a beautiful time. Because guess what? We're changing too. We're in this whole redesign phase. And this is the channel where we reimagine life at any age and at any stage. And that's what we're doing. We are reimagining life at any age and at any stage. And it's a beautiful time. We get to redesign our lives. Think about it. Think about it this way. Just say your family house, right? And people own their homes, 20, 30, 40, 50 years. Some longer than that in some families, right? Well, think about being in a house for about, say, 15, 20 years, and then you decide, hey, I want to add a room or I want to add a deck. And you get all engrossed in this project, this improvement project that you feel is going to enhance the experience that you are having with this home that you've called home for 15, 20, 30 years. It's the same way with us. It's the same way with our lives. We get to add a deck. We get to add a room. We get to redesign our temple. Well, to a certain extent, because we were built in His image and we were created and wonderfully made. And we've just got to recognize that. So maybe we need to, every now and then, put a fresh coat of paint on it so that we can start to appreciate the experience again, the experience of who we are. Because how can anybody else really enjoy who we are if we're not enjoying the experience of who we are? So during this whole redesign that you're in, think about it. What do you want this new addition to look like? Or are you going to totally demolish and start from ground up? Are you going to relocate? Are you going to go condominium, low maintenance, instead of all out home? And I'm using the house analogy, but I'm really talking about us. You know, what does this redesign of our lives look like? You know, what does this life of ease and beauty and enjoyment and fulfillment and abundance and prosperity, what does it look like? Is it an addition? Is it an add-on? Is it a rebuild? Is it a total demolish and start over? Is it a switch from, permanent home to condo? Is it what are we on? What are we on in this redesign? I think that's what we got to think about. And I think once we start to look at it like that, the fun begins. It's like putting together a whole Pinterest board of your whole life, really, in real life though. I mean, you could do it on Pinterest too, but, because that's what vision boards are about. But you get to do it yourself in your mind and in your actions. So once you start that redesign, just piece by piece, start getting it ready. You don't have to get all the materials at one time. You could just start sourcing the things that you need to become what you need to become, or for your life to look the way you want it to look. That's it. Let's get this redesign started, y'all. This has been a beautiful walk. I love y'all. It's your girl Felicia. I hope that helps somebody. I'm excited about your redesign. Let me know in the comments what you got going on. Give me a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Love you guys, and I'm out.